Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Today we can discuss one of the interview question that is count the occurrence of each word. In the previous videos I tell count the occurrence of each character, but now I will tell count the occurrences of each word. We need to display in one sentence how many words are commonly repeated. I will tell how to write that code using Java 8 or Streams API. First you can create class, then you can create main method. This main method you can write the string str dot. I will write hello what are you doing. See, this is two questions. Just this is how to write the words occurrence, that means repeated words, how many repeated words are available. That's why I am returning this one. This is just understanding purpose, learning purpose only. Don't understand English words. This is just understanding, that means programmatical way we are returning this type of sentence, but don't treat as this is a one sentence. This is not a sentence, actually this is one of the Java programming input. Now I will take word map. I will give the string. This is a string. I will give long. I will give long. Here count word. I will put count word. Here arrays dot streams, where str dot split. You can use space. Just you can write the collectors dot grouping by. Here function dot identity comma characters dot count. This is a program. Now we can display this one. Count words dot for each. Here you can use the key value pair. Here you can use the key value pair. Sysout need to display sysout. Here you can display k. Now we can display the what is the output of this one. See, how is one time, doing is one time, hello is one time, r is two times, what is one time, u is two times, question mark is two times. This way we can find out the occurrences of the word. In my previous video I explained occurrences of the character. That is two-way approach is there. I explained that two ways. You can check my previous videos that is available. This is a word occurrences, that is a character occurrences. You can check.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box. Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.